In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the absolute strength index oscillator indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to adjust the basic settings, so the indicator is ready to use on your charts. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The steps are the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the indicators button. It usually sits near the timeframes and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main indicators and strategies window, which is where all built-in and custom tools live. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to find what you need, especially when there are hundreds of indicators available. Click once inside the search bar so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now carefully type the name of the tool you want to add, Absolute Strength Index Oscillator. You don't have to rush. Spelling it correctly helps TradingView pull up the exact indicator you're looking for. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching results below the search field. Once you see Absolute Strength Index Oscillator in the list, move your mouse over it and click on it. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart, typically in a separate panel below your price candles. With the indicator now visible, the next step is to fine-tune it. To do that, hover your mouse over the indicator panel. On the left or top of that panel, you'll see a small toolbar with icons. Look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window for the Absolute Strength Index Oscillator. In this settings window, you can adjust inputs like lengths or smoothing, and you can customize colors and line styles so the indicator is easy for you to read. Take a moment to scan through these options and tweak them to match your personal preferences or your overall chart theme. When you're happy with how it looks, click OK or close the window to save those settings. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more features and a smoother experience, use the link in my video description to create your account and get started.